Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment spike of plus 0.05, with a momentum of plus 0.68. This is unusual, as momentum has rarely reached such levels while sentiment has remained marginally positive. It suggests a powerful shift in public perception that you should be aware of. Our World Sentiment API provides you with a comprehensive analysis of this shift, returning not just sentiment scores, but also insights into 18 semantic clusters that highlight what people are really talking about. Imagine you're developing a news aggregator. With this API, you can filter trending articles based on current sentiment, ensuring your users get the most relevant information tailored to today's evolving narrative. Start integrating these insights into your projects. Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.